Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Lafayette Parish in South Central Louisiana, Northwestern St. Martin Parish in South Central Louisiana, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Breaux Bridge and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lafayette, Breaux Bridge, St. Martinville, Broussard, Henderson, Butte-La Rose, Cecilia, Atchafalaya Welcome Center, and Parks. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.